This video shows you how to install the paper transport option to your printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box. Remove the paper transport from the box. Remove the accessories and the pieces of tape from the paper transport. Unpack the accessories for the paper transport option. Remove the standard bin. Place the exit bin flag in the closed position. Remove the backup roller. Attach the feed roller. Attach the roller cover. Remove the paper transport connector cover. Remove the cover. Open the front door, and then using a flathead screwdriver, remove the cover on the left side of the printer. Tilt the control panel. Attach the metal bracket. Return the control panel to its original position. Insert the paper transport. Open door G, and then install the screw. Close door G. Install the screw to the rear of the paper transport. Attach the left side cover that came with the paper transport. Close the front door. This option can only be used when installed together with either a staple, hole punch finisher or booklet finisher.